presento la Woxter Sportcam 4K, una cámara de fotos y vídeo muy compacta que permite capturar tus imágenes con una resolución de hasta 12 megapíxeles y vídeo 4K. La Sportcam 4K está disponible en 3 colores, negro, rosa y plateado, y tiene la mejor relación calidad-precio para una cámara 4K. Tiene integrada una pantalla de 2 pulgadas, donde podrás navegar por sus opciones de configuración y visualizar la imagen capturada. Su potente sensor es capaz de capturar vídeo 4K a 25 frames por segundo, 2,7K a 30 frames por segundo, 1080 a 60 frames por segundo y 1080 a 30 frames por segundo. La resolución de captura fotográfica es seleccionable entre 12, 8, 5 y 4 megapíxeles. Puede capturar fotos en ráfagas de 3 y realizar fotos secuenciales con intervalos de 2 a 60 segundos. Dependiendo de la capacidad de tu tarjeta microSD, los tiempos de grabación irán en función de la resolución que elijas. Una de las características más importantes de la Sportcam 4K es que puedes mandar tus vídeos de forma inmediata a tu smartphone o tablet, y puede ser controlada remotamente mediante la aplicación ThiEYE Cam. La Sportcam 4K viene acompañada de una infinidad de accesorios para poder utilizarla en cualquier circunstancia. Incluye soportes de fijación para casco de moto o bicicleta, para manillar, y también incluye una carcasa sumergible hasta 30 metros para capturar tus vídeos subacuáticos en alta calidad. Incluye una salida de vídeo HDMI para que puedas reproducir tus vídeos en la televisión y una salida USB 2.0 para transferir tus archivos al ordenador. En definitiva, la Sportcam 4K es la mejor opción como acompañante para tus actividades deportivas o aventuras. Y hasta aquí la presentación de la Woxter Sportcam 4K. Espero que os haya gustado y nos vemos en el siguiente vídeo.
It's arguably the most versatile creative tool ever made.
The magic behind Fusion is turning multiple images into a single spherical image.
The stabilization feature on Fusion is amazing.
Your footage is stabilized automatically, so you can relive the experience just as you remember it.
One of the most exciting aspects of Fusion is what we call overcapture.
Overcapture is when you take spherical content and frame it to traditional video.
This is ultimately where cameras are headed. You shouldn't have to point at what you want to film. You should just be able to film what you're experiencing. And Fusion makes that possible.
I'm on the open road and no one can stop me now.
Hero 6 is a whole new game, and it's a whole new GoPro.
The engine behind Hero 6 is what we call GP1. Hero 6 is going to give you double the performance with 4K 60 and 1080p 240 video. You're going to get this really buttery smooth slow motion that doesn't drop a frame.
Every aspect of the shot is that much more brilliant, that much more lifelike. And when you combine it with quick stories, the experience is unlike anything before. Quick stories is a way to go from capturing a great experience to the story that you can share. Your GoPro will automatically copy any new photos and videos over to your phone, where the GoPro app will edit that into a video for you.
Hero 6 is our smartest camera yet. We have algorithms for faces and audio, accelerometers, GPS, and we're able to take that data and pull them into your edit so we can create the most compelling story for you.
When you're able to capture something and slow it down, it really allows you to appreciate the moment. What was the water doing? What were you doing? Life happens fast, and using a GoPro helps you capture your life, slow it down, and see it in a whole new way. Hero 6's stabilization is far beyond anything we've ever accomplished at GoPro. Hero 6 can predict where you're going to move and then adjust the stabilization to take out any of the shake, take out the roll, and really make it look like your GoPro was mounted on a stabilizer. People are using their GoPros to film everything, and you can't always get close to the action. And now with Hero 6 and the built-in touch zoom capability, you can.
With Hero 6, you're getting more voice commands. You're going to get this hands-free, fluid experience.
GoPro, turn on.
Hero 6 is going to give you the richest, biggest, best image yet. Those colors are going to be brighter. The moments are going to feel more authentic, more lively, more evocative, just as you remembered them.
Live your life and share your life through amazing video. Nothing is like Hero 6. Well, this is the best GoPro we've ever made. Hero 5 Black is the camera that's so convenient and easy to use, you forget that you're using it. Yet it doesn't give up any of the performance, durability, or versatility that GoPro's famous for.
Hero 5 Black is where really everything comes together. We're giving people all the tools in one package. They're getting waterproofness, they're getting ruggedness, they're getting image stabilization, voice control.
GoPro, shoot first.
The screen on the back. They're getting the full embodiment of what is GoPro.
A big part of making a GoPro easier to use is eliminating all of the unnecessary parts. You don't have to think, should I use the housing or not? It's waterproof and durable all on its own.
They don't have to fumble with the clear water housing anymore. It's just built right in.
You can just take it out of the box, hit the water and go down to 10 meters, go snowboarding, and no need for any extra protection. The fact that you'll get such amazing quality video and audio and never have to worry about it is one of the most wonderful things about it.
But a lot of times the GoPro's out of reach. Voice control just opens up a whole new world of possibility for using your GoPro. You just think it, say it, and do it.
GoPro, take photo.
The Hero 5 Black supports 7 languages: English, French, Italian, German, Spanish, Chinese, and Japanese.
Voice control is the easiest way to control your camera. We have made it so simple to be completely in the moment of whatever you're doing.
It's all about making things easier, less management for people. It's accurate and it works, and it's going to make sure that you don't miss those moments.
So you could be in video mode and say, GoPro, take a photo, and it'll capture. You could be in time-lapse mode and tell it to capture a burst, and it'll fire off 30 photos.
We want it to be hands-free. We want it to be fun. We want it to be liberating.
The world feels very small within a GoPro, and I love that because there's not a lot to figure out. The touchscreen on Hero 5 Black makes it so that anybody can pick up a GoPro and figure out how to use it without being told.
Whether you're a novice, whether you're a professional, whether you're on the top of the mountain or you're having fun with your kids. We wanted to make it as easy as possible to capture the moment while still being in the moment.
You can literally preview the shot, scroll through your options, and it's live changing the effect for you.
So no matter where you are within the menus, you are one step away from getting the shot. We don't want you to miss that moment.
There's a lot of options, yet at the same time, it doesn't feel like there's a lot of options. It's just like, oh, really? That's it? Sweet, let's go. The image stabilization on Hero 5 Black helps you capture the world as you see it. But you don't see a bunch of shake and jitter when you're skiing or when you're chasing your kids around the beach. Your eyes smooth everything out, and that's what image stabilization on Hero 5 Black accomplishes.
It really gives you that first layer of polish that's going to make things pretty wow.
The image stabilization is going to bring a much more professional feel to everybody's videos. It brings back that smooth bike ride they were having at sunset with their friends, you know, instead of that shake they were getting from the handlebars.
It feels like you're seeing your experience as you remembered it, and it makes it more dreamlike, and it makes it beautiful. I think as important as having a beautiful, stable image, it's important to have beautiful audio. And I think we've finally done it.
So there's actually 3 microphones on the camera. What it's able to do is cherry pick the best sound from each one and combine that into a brand new track. And it's happening automatically, it's happening actively every time you record. Now you don't have that muffled sound that comes from being in a housing.
So what we've achieved with Hero 5 Black, audio that's as good as the image quality. It's as good as the video and the photos that you capture. And it's awesome. If you want to surf with a GoPro, you can because of our surfboard mounts. If you want to capture the perspective that your dog has, we make a mount for that. We're helping people see their lives in a different way.
It's the mounts that are transformative and take it from just being a simple camera to being so much more.
So even though we've redesigned the Hero 5 Black, it still works great with all the existing mounts and accessories.
Pretty much any activity you can think of, there's a GoPro mount or accessory that will help you get the shot. GoPro is much more than a camera company. GoPro is an experience sharing company. And Hero 5 Black is the most connected GoPro we've ever made. Whether it's capturing, editing, or sharing your experiences, we've finally made it easy.
You plug your Hero 5 Black in to charge. From there, it automatically starts uploading to your GoPro Plus account. And that means that any time later that you want to pull up that content, it's sitting there waiting for you.
You sit down at your computer, you can pull up our desktop app, and within 5 clicks and 2 minutes, you have this edit that looks like it took you hours. You all of a sudden have a video that you can put on Instagram or Facebook. It's magic.
I think people are going to see this product and be like, yep, GoPro did it again.
I'm really excited to see what people are going to start bringing back. It's going to be mind-blowing.
Hero 5 Black is the GoPro we always wanted to make, and it's just taken 14 years to get here, but we're here.